Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to TickTick Premium on Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the TickTick app on your Android device. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, log into your account or create a new one. After logging in, navigate to the Profile tab. You can find this tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Profile section, look for the Upgrade to Premium option. Tap on this option to view the benefits of TickTick Premium. Read the features and advantages included in the Premium subscription. Scroll down to see different subscription plans available. Select the plan that suits you best. You may be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your payment details as requested. Once you have entered your information, review the terms and conditions. If everything looks correct, confirm your purchase. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your subscription was successful. Your account should now be upgraded to TickTick Premium. Explore the new features available with your premium subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.